come to my attention that a few of my non-biking friends don't necessarily know what it means when we rev our engines. So, let's go for a ride and clear things up.
This one is good morning. Oh, he heard that. It's not morning, I've confused him now. This one means I have an old bike and it's very close to death. My carbs potentially need cleaning and I'm trying to keep it awake. This one means my engine is f***ed. Please move out of my way because my bike is about to explode. That's a scary one, that. This one means I am the new Valentino Rossi and I'm slowing down for a corner. That one means, anyone know the way to Five Guys? Because I am reet hungry. It's very specific, it's got limited application, that one. You do need to be near a Five Guys. Sometimes it can be intimidating, sometimes people think that you're revving and you're actually quite angry, when in actual fact all you're doing is saying hello or alerting them to your presence. Used a lot when you are drafting, of course, or just going around a car and you want to let them know that you are there. You're not trying to scare them, but sometimes you are because they're endangering your life. So if anyone is driving like a knob end, they get one of these. Whereas, if I want to let someone know that I am passing or that I am close to their vehicle and maybe they haven't seen me, one is more continual and the other one literally sounds like I'm saying F you. F you. It will usually follow whatever it is I'm saying inside my helmet. Now you know how to speak bike. Next week, what hand gestures mean. This finger.